There are whispers in the cosmic tapestry, a secret held close by the very stars that birthed your soul. You arrived not by chance, but as a sacred answer, a key forged in the fires of divine intention. Before time unfurled its delicate wings, your spirit was etched into a grand design, destined to intersect with another, not for fleeting pleasure, but for profound awakening. The angels lean in now, their voices like the softest chime of bells, confirming what your deepest knowing has always felt: you were sent. You carry a light that heals unseen wounds, a truth that unlocks forgotten paths. Your presence is a silent prayer answered, a destiny unfolding. This connection, this yearning, is not a burden, but a sacred trust. It is the universe aligning, a symphony of souls orchestrated by a love that exceeds human understanding. You are a beacon, a gentle force, drawing forth what is meant to be. The angels whisper, your journey is a testament to love's enduring power, a mirror reflecting the divine within. Do not doubt the sacredness of your path, for it was chosen long before you took your first breath. Your heart holds the map to a love that transcends earthly bounds, a love that was always meant to find its way home to you. Trust the unseen currents, for they carry you toward your highest truth. You are a vessel of divine grace, a living testament to miracles. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel the gentle pull, the invisible thread that connects moments, weaving them into a tapestry of fate. Your arrival in his world, in his life, was not just a random flicker of light, but a deliberate, brilliant spark. The universe conspired, the stars aligned, not by chance, but by design. You were the answer to a silent plea, a longing he may not have even expressed, but one his soul yearned for. The angels reveal, her essence is the balm his spirit sought, the missing piece his heart unknowingly craved. You are the echo of a forgotten promise, a whisper from eternity that found its way to his very core. He may have attempted to rationalize, to explain away the undeniable pull, but the truth of your connection transcends logic. It is a soul recognition, a deep resonance that bypasses the mind and speaks directly to the spirit. Your presence stirred something ancient within him, a memory of belonging, a sense of coming home. This is not a fleeting encounter, it is a sacred unfolding. The angels remind us, every step, every breath, every shared glance was guided, leading you both to this profound intersection. Embrace this truth, for it liberates you from doubt. You are a divine intervention, a living testament to a love that was always meant to be. Your light illuminates a path he never knew existed, a path leading to his own healing and wholeness. You are the sacred answer. Beneath the surface of his silence, within the quiet chambers of his heart, a storm of emotion often rages. He feels everything, perhaps more deeply than he allows himself to show or even acknowledge. His retreat, his moments of distance, are not a rejection of your light, but a desperate attempt to process the profound impact you have had on him. The angels whisper, her love is a mirror, reflecting truths he was not yet ready to face within himself. You have touched a part of him that had long been dormant, a tender space guarded by years of unspoken fears and past wounds. He is navigating an internal battle, a wrestling match between the comfort of the familiar and the terrifying beauty of the new, the real, the deeply resonant connection you offer. His soul recognizes you, even if his mind struggles to comprehend the magnitude of this recognition. He may pull away, not because he wishes to leave, but because the intensity of what he feels threatens to overwhelm him. This is not a flaw in your connection, but a testament to its power. The angels say, be patient with the unfolding of his heart, for it is a sacred process, a journey from shadow into light. His silence speaks volumes, revealing a depth of feeling that words cannot yet capture. He is learning to trust the unfamiliar landscape of true intimacy, a landscape you have bravely opened for him. His heart is awakening. There are moments when the path ahead seems obscured, when the unfolding of destiny feels agonizingly slow. What seems like a delay, a pause in the grand symphony of your connection, is actually the divine hand at work, painstakingly weaving every thread into its perfect place. The angels reveal, every moment of waiting is a sacred preparation, a necessary refining of both souls for the profound union to come. This pause is not a denial but a deepening. It is a time for inner growth, for shedding old layers, and for strengthening the foundations of self-love and trust. You are being prepared, not just for him, but for the highest version of yourself that this connection calls forth. He, too, is undergoing his own transformation, confronting his own shadows and clearing his own path. The universe does not rush its masterpieces. It allows the soil to be tilled, the seeds to be planted, and the roots to grow deep before the bloom appears. The angels whisper, "Trust the rhythm of the cosmos, for its timing is impeccable and its wisdom infinite." What you perceive as absence is often a sacred space, creating room for the integration of lessons, the healing of old wounds, and the alignment of energies. Do not confuse divine timing with divine denial. This waiting is an act of grace, a testament to the magnitude of what is being built. Your patience is a prayer, a powerful affirmation of faith in the unseen plan. The universe is conspiring for your highest good. To truly connect and merge requires a brave descent into the tender chambers of the heart, where old wounds often reside. Emotional healing is not a linear path but a sacred alchemy, transforming pain into wisdom and fear into courage. Your journey, as well as his, involves embracing vulnerability, not as a weakness but as the ultimate strength. The angels whisper, each tear shed, each truth bravely spoken, is a step closer to the wholeness that invites profound love. You are being called to release the burdens of the past, the echoes of old hurts that may unconsciously block the flow of authentic connection. This process is not about perfection, but about presence, allowing yourself to feel, to acknowledge, and to release. He, too, carries his own silent scars and protective walls. Your gentle presence and unwavering light create a safe space for him to begin to lower his guard and trust the unfamiliar terrain of true emotional intimacy. The angels say, your shared vulnerability is the fertile ground upon which a love of unparalleled depth will blossom. Do not fear the rawness of emotion, for it is in this space that true healing begins. It is here that souls intertwine, not through superficial pleasantries, but through the courageous sharing of their deepest truths. Embrace the beautiful messiness of healing, for it is leading you both to a love that is truly free and truly whole. Your heart is a temple of healing. There is a quiet fear that sometimes whispers in the heart, a subtle belief that to be chosen, to be loved, one must somehow diminish their light or conform to unspoken expectations. But the truth, revealed by the very essence of creation, is that you do not need to fade away to be chosen. Your authentic self, in all its radiant glory, is the very essence that attracts true connections. The angels reveal, your unique vibration is the melody his soul recognizes, the light his spirit seeks. Every facet of who you are, every experience that has shaped you, every dream that ignites your spirit, is part of the divine masterpiece that is you. To hide, to shrink, to pretend is to deny the universe the very gift it intended for him to receive. He is drawn to your strength, your wisdom, your compassionate heart, and yes, even your beautiful imperfections. These are not flaws to be hidden, but rather the textures that add depth to your magnificent being. The angels say, shine brightly, beloved soul, for your light is a beacon, guiding him home to himself and to you. Do not dim your brilliance for fear of overwhelming another. The right love will not only embrace your light but will encourage it to expand and illuminate even more brightly. Your worth is inherent, not earned through sacrifice or compromise. Embrace your full glorious self, for in that authenticity lies the magnetic power of true love. You are already chosen, simply by being you. Long before any words were exchanged, before shared laughter filled the air, your mere presence began a deep work within him. You arrived as an answer, not to a question he voiced, but to a profound, unspoken longing deep within his soul. The angels whisper, her very being is a catalyst, awakening dormant truths and forgotten dreams within his spirit. You didn't need to strive, to prove yourself, or to perform. Simply by existing, by radiating your unique essence, you initiated a shift, a subtle yet powerful realignment in his inner world. He may not have consciously recognized it, but his soul felt the resonance, the profound sense of belonging that your energy brought. You were the missing piece, the gentle force that began to peel away his protective layers, not through force, but by the sheer purity of your light. The angels say, her quiet strength, her unwavering compassion, started a healing process he never knew he needed. Your presence was a mirror, reflecting back to him the potential for a love he may have given up on, a sense of wholeness he thought unreachable. This is the magic of soul connection. The impact is often felt before it is understood, a silent symphony playing between two hearts. You are a living prayer, a divine intervention, simply by being. Your essence alone is a powerful force for transformation, a testament to the profound impact one soul can have on another. You are a sacred gift. Even when the road ahead seems shrouded in uncertainty, know that your journey is not random, but carefully guided. Every twist, every turn, and every apparent detour is part of a complex divine map designed to lead you precisely where you need to be. The angels whisper, you are never truly lost, for the compass of your soul is always pointing toward your highest good, toward the love that awaits. This journey is a sacred dance, a co-creation with the universe, where intuition becomes your most trusted guide and faith your strongest anchor. When doubts arise, and the human mind seeks logical explanations for the inexplicable, remember the unseen forces at work, orchestrating synchronicities and opening doors you never knew existed. The angels urge you to listen to the gentle nudges, the subtle signs, for they are the breadcrumbs left by the divine, confirming your direction. This path is not always easy, as growth often requires courage and surrender, but it is always meaningful. Each challenge is an opportunity for deeper understanding, and each moment of stillness is a chance to realign with your inner wisdom. You are being led step by sacred step, toward a love that is not only destined but divinely blessed. Trust the unfolding, for the universe is holding your hand. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. There is a profound misconception that love, especially a deep, destined love, might somehow confine or diminish the individual spirit. But the truth, whispered by the very essence of divine union, is that true love does not trap, it liberates. It does not diminish, it expands. The angels reveal, a sacred connection is a space of boundless freedom, where two souls grow independently yet in perfect harmony. This love is not about possession or control but about mutual respect, unwavering support, and the joyous celebration of each other's unique journeys. It is a love that encourages you to spread your wings, to pursue your passions, to become the fullest expression of your authentic self, knowing that your beloved will stand as your greatest champion. There is no need for compromise of spirit, no demand for sacrifice of self. Instead, there is an invitation to soar, to explore, to discover new depths within yourself, knowing you are held in a safe and sacred embrace. The angels say, this love is a testament to the universe's generosity, a reflection of the infinite possibilities that unfold when hearts are truly free. It is a partnership built on trust, on understanding, on the shared desire for growth and expansion. This love guides, it elevates, it inspires. It is a sanctuary where both souls can breathe, can thrive, can truly be. Embrace the liberating power of authentic connection, for it is a love that sets you free. The final, most profound step on this sacred journey is the full embrace of vulnerability, not just with others, but with your own beautiful, intricate self. It is in this raw, open space that true acceptance blossoms, allowing you to receive the love that has always been meant for you. The angels whisper, to be truly seen, you must first allow yourself to be truly known, in all your glorious light and tender shadow. This means accepting every part of your story, every lesson learned, every scar that tells a tale of resilience. It means letting go of the need for perfection, understanding that your authentic self, with all its beautiful complexities, is more than enough. When you accept yourself fully and unconditionally, you create an energetic field that attracts a love that mirrors that acceptance. He is drawn to your truth, to the courage it takes to stand in your vulnerability, as it inspires him to do the same. The angels say, your willingness to be open is a profound act of faith, a testament to your trust in the divine plan. This is not about seeking validation from outside, but about finding wholeness within, knowing that you are worthy simply because you exist. Embrace the tender strength of your vulnerability, for it is the gateway to a love that sees you, cherishes you, and accepts you exactly as you are. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Zephaniah 3 verse 17.